The Credit People Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. If you're interested in the Credit People, links to official service details, pricing plans, and enrollment information have been added to the description so you can review what's included before signing up. The Credit People is a credit repair service designed for individuals who want professional help improving their credit by disputing inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable negative items on their credit reports. It is a fully managed service, meaning clients do not need to handle disputes themselves, as the company's specialists manage the entire process. This makes it suitable for people with poor or damaged credit who prefer a structured, hands-off solution rather than doing credit repair on their own. One of the Credit People's key features is its full credit report analysis, where experts review credit reports from major bureaus to identify negative items such as late payments, collections, charge-offs, inquiries, and reporting errors. Based on this analysis, a dispute strategy is developed and executed on the client's behalf. Another important feature is its unlimited disputes model in many plans, which allows ongoing challenges to questionable items until they are resolved or updated. The service also includes credit monitoring tools, giving users visibility into changes in their credit profile during the process. In addition, clients often receive access to progress tracking dashboards, educational resources, and customer support to help them stay informed throughout their credit repair journey. In terms of strengths, the Credit People stands out for its simplicity and straightforward pricing structure, which is often based on a flat monthly fee or service package. The unlimited dispute approach can be beneficial for users with multiple negative items on their credit reports. The service is also relatively easy to use, making it accessible for beginners who have no prior experience with credit repair. Having professionals handle all communication with credit bureaus reduces stress and saves time, especially for users who prefer a completely managed solution. The inclusion of credit monitoring also helps clients stay updated on their progress in real time. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. As with all credit repair services, results are not guaranteed since outcomes depend on the accuracy of credit report information and how bureaus respond to disputes. The monthly cost can add up if the process takes several months, which is common in credit repair cases. Additionally, while the service is simple to use, it offers less control compared to DIY credit repair methods. Some users may also prefer more detailed customization or business-level tools, which this service does not focus on. Overall, the Credit People is best suited for individuals who want a fully managed, straightforward credit repair service with ongoing dispute support. If your goal is to improve your credit without handling the process yourself, the Credit People is a reliable and easy-to-use option in the credit repair industry.